we go now? Are you saying that to change your mind? For love or pity, let me know.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Henrietta Newbin, and in today's video will be part 2 of me cleaning up my closets. So if you guys missed the last episode, make sure you guys check that down below. So I started with the hair closet that's right next to my bedroom, and then the guest restroom. And so I already have expectancy of letting things go because me and my family of 4, we're going definitely through the natural route. I am the only one wearing extensions, so I have a lot of things that I have to give away. We also use like this app to scan things that is not as toxic for our scalp, and so I'm giving things to my mom, my sisters, and my cousins who don't believe in this kind of thing. So the top shelf has my hair dryer, head dryer, and also everything for nails because we do wear false nails. Me and the girls wear polish and everything. My husband is the only man in the house, so he can do clear polish if he wanted to. But I wanted the first 2 shelves to be about products. And then I wanted to tell you guys, when it comes down to organizing, I bought all my containers from Dollar Tree. So those glass jars that you guys are going to see, I paid $1.29 for those. Those same jars can be like at IKEA, and IKEA will charge $5.99. But what I love about Dollar Tree is that if you buy things in bulk, you get your money's worth. You know, you don't have to go to so many stores for looking for things. So I love that. I used to use like the clear containers with the top. That used to be my go-to, but now I like the glass kind of material.
Come on, come on.
I got rid of some combs, brushes, hair grease, hair gel, so many things. Our major staple is hair oil, shampoo, and conditioner.
Oh, you tell me that I made you think. If we had something special more than happy drinks, you'll go without blinking. No, you won't see that I'm lying to be on my own, on my own. No, you don't hear when I told you I fear we are done, that we are done. Oh, hands in the air like I don't care. Music is fair to me singing. Come on, come on. Come on, come on. Oh, love's in the air and I don't care. Music is fair to me singing. Come on, come on. 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 Oh, hands in the air like I don't care. Music is fair to me singing. Come on, come on. Come on, come on. Come on, come on. Oh, love's in the air and I don't care. Music is fair to me singing. Come on, come on. Come on, come on. Come on, come on. Come on, come on, baby. Come on, come on. Come on, come on. Come on, come on. Come on, come on.
I see it in your eyes. Yeah, I can read the signs. You need to get away. It's time we make a change. Oh, you know you'll always have me. Baby, I will always stay with you. So put your trust in me. We'll work it out, you'll see. If we get in a car and drive someplace far, yeah, we could go for a ride. The
So now we're in the cleaning closet that is located in the guest restroom, and so it's not that bad. I'm barely in here now because I love just using my caddy that you guys seen in my last 2 videos. So I just figured I need to just get things organized. If you guys are new here, I do upload Monday through Friday, so if you guys are new to this channel, make sure you subscribe so you'll never miss another upload. Okay, let's get back to it.
You and I, let us run away. We can go where we want. I'll have your back if you'll have mine. You and I, you and I.
That wasn't so bad. This closet cleaning did not take that long. It was about 15 minutes compared to the hair closet. But if you guys like these kind of videos, I did a whole house clean with me video for the first time. It was hard, but I love to share that with you guys. So if you guys like these kind of videos, make sure you subscribe, and thanks for watching. Bye.
You wouldn't change me.